Hey team, welcome back to Bot Collab, where you learn from millionaires that want to see you succeed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. You can also email us at botcollabconsultant@gmail.com. Yay! I sound like a little like I'm out of breath, but I just came up the stairs to come to this office to get this done. So let's go. The benefits and disadvantages of S-Corps. Everyone's been asking, what's the difference between an LLC and an S-Corp? I already did the video to let you know that. So now I'm doing the benefits, which is advantages and disadvantages of having an S-Corp. So let's get right into it. Give you the information so that when you're setting up your next company, or if you're restructuring your business, or if you have your business set up incorrectly, you can change those paperwork. What is an S Corp? An S Corp, like the LLC, is a pass through corporate form, but it has specific benefits over the LLC. For example, unlike LLC ownership, S Corp stock is easily transferable. So your company, of course, make it big, it go public, you can transfer your stocks. Um, Even prior to that, you can transfer some of your stocks to family members, to friends. Now, an S Corp may lower your responsibility on your self employment tax. So you also have to watch for that. Now, as your company expands, this may be extremely beneficial to its future. The S-Corp tax laws was created to encourage the formation of more small firms by removing the double taxation that plagues the regular company structure. So that's why the government has set up S-Corp so they can get more business, more people to open businesses and offer jobs and pump more money into the economy. Now, qualifying for an S Corp is also more difficult than qualifying for an LLC, since there are a few IRS requirements to complete. Um, First and foremost, your organization must be headquartered in the United States. You must also follow the restricted ownership requirements and have no more than 100 shareholders and one class of stock. And if you don't understand what we mean by class, you can comment, email us at backlabconsultant.com and we'll let you know. Finally, as with the LLC, some industries such as banking and insurance may be unable to incorporate as an S Corp. So you have to find out what kind of industry you're doing. And then you also have to see like how many members there will be, shareholders and so forth. And then you can do the structure. Next. Benefits. I'm laughing at the little graphics that said trying to see my benefits. Benefits of an S Corp. Limited liability. It's keeping your personal and corporate assets separate. It's still a top issue for S Corp owners. Shareholders are not personally accountable for the company's finances, and creditors cannot pursue personal assets. So that's good. Now, taxes, except for capital gains and passive income, your S Corp would be tax free under federal law. Because of the pass through nature, you avoid the dreaded double taxation of having federal taxes, employment taxes, self employment taxes, all that stuff. Now, income. In line with the tax concept, S Corps maintain the capacity to describe income in a variety of ways. You can opt to pay yourself a salary and or profits, which can eliminate your self-employment tax burden entirely. Like some people, major corporation holders, I won't call any names, instead of being paid money, they'll be like, oh, they get, let's say, another million share of stocks, another 100 share of stocks. Now, that stock, those amount of stocks is worth money, sometimes more than their salary. But they have ways to hide it, ways to maneuver, and it's all legal. It's all legal. If you want some of that information, again, comment or email us botcollabconsultant@gmail.com. Now, ownership transfer. Now, as previously stated, you may transfer shares of your S Corp far more easily than with most other company structures. You can even change ownership without incurring severe tax repercussions or terminating the firm prematurely while remaining legal. So, let's say someone decide to buy you out. You have X amount of shares and you're like, hey, even if let's say you have 100 shares and you want to sell 50 shares off to someone, that's simple. You have 100 shares and somebody said, look, I'll buy out all of your shares. Easy. You can do that. Now, although ownership can be transferred with ease, you must meet several different requirements when it comes to the actual ownership structure. Wages and dividends. The ability to designate income as wage dividends is certainly useful, but it could also draw the ire of the IRS if abused. If your activity is deemed inaccurate, you might be asked to recharacterize your income and pay higher taxes. So you need a good tax person. You need a good accountant that will be able to say, hey, okay, so we can put this as that. Your G-Wagon, okay, it's a company vehicle. Oh, your this is, we use it for that, so forth. They have to understand and know. So you need someone who actually know IRS requirement and know taxes, not somebody who's like, hey, you know what, we're filing it and you get this back. No, it's a way to do it. Okay? Tax qualifications. If you make any mistakes when qualifying your firm as an S-Corp, you might face the dreadful consequence of losing your company S-Corp registration. Given the quantity of precise constraints, this is easier than you may imagine. Be careful. It's a way to structure things. If you don't know, comment. Of course, subscribe to our channel for more pop-up. You will be alerted when we do more videos because this is not for entertainment. This is for education. So you can email us at botcolabconsultant@gmail.com. Now, did you get it? It seemed like you got it. All right. Although an LLC is likely to be the best option for most small businesses, you may find yourself in a situation where an S-Corp is a better fit. As always, you'll need to take some time and consideration before you make your final decision. But once you're ready to register your company, Bot Consulting is here. Contact us. Of course, subscribe, like, comment, email us at batcollabconsultant@gmail.com. Okay? We will help you. Just let us know. You got it? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's free. It does not cost you a dime, a dollar, a penny, a shekel, nothing to subscribe. Did you get it? Just in case, do you want me to explain it again? You know what? You can watch this video over again. If something wasn't clear, let me know. If you have a question that I can't answer, I'll go to my father. He will give me the answer. I'll go to one of the other consultants. They'll give it to me. We post it here.